If you're tackling DIY projects on the go, a reliable portable workbench is a must-have. The best Workbench portable models deliver stability, versatility, and easy transport, making them perfect for workshops, job sites, and weekend projects alike. Number 1. Worx Portable Workbench. The Worx Portable Workbench, also known as the Pegasus, stands out as an impressively versatile and user-friendly tool for both professional craftsmen and DIY enthusiasts. Designed with convenience in mind, it folds down compactly and fits comfortably under your arm, making it incredibly easy to transport. Despite its lightweight 30-pound frame, this workbench doesn't skimp on strength. As a standard workbench, it can handle up to 300 pounds, while it transforms into a sawhorse that supports a hefty 1,000 pounds, covering a wide range of project demands. Its spacious 31 by 25 surface provides ample room for various tasks, whether you're staining furniture, assembling materials, or tackling home repairs. Constructed from molded ABS plastic reinforced with steel, it's built for durability and long-lasting performance. What makes the Pegasus even more valuable is its expandability. You can seamlessly attach additional works tables like the sidekick or clamping sawhorse, all of the same height for a larger working area. This smart design turns a portable tool into a modular workspace that adapts to your projects. Whether you're working in a garage, backyard, or job site, the Worx Pegasus proves to be a practical, reliable, and flexible companion for nearly any task you throw its way.
Number 2. Keter Portable Workbench. The Keter Portable Workbench offers a practical and efficient solution for anyone in need of a sturdy, no-fuss work surface. Ready to use in just 30 seconds, this lightweight workbench eliminates assembly hassles and delivers immediate support for home projects, job sites, or DIY tasks. Its robust design features a spacious tabletop capable of supporting up to 1,000 pounds, providing plenty of room and strength for demanding jobs. Included 12-inch clamps can be positioned horizontally or vertically, adding stability when securing materials for sawing, drilling, or gluing. Made from durable polypropylene and heavy-duty resin with solid aluminum legs, this workbench is built to withstand harsh weather and tough work environments without rusting, denting, or warping. The quick fold system makes storage and transportation simple, making it ideal for professionals who need to move between job sites or homeowners with limited garage space. Keter's decades-long reputation for innovative, reliable home solutions is well reflected in this product. Whether you're mounting a miter saw, tackling woodworking projects, or carrying out household repairs, this bench provides a dependable and spacious workspace wherever you need it. Its portable, foldable, and weather-resistant design ensures it's as practical outdoors as it is in your workshop.
Number 3. Pony Portable Workbench. The Pony Portable Workbench is a reliable 2-in-1 workstation that efficiently toggles between a workbench and a sawhorse to meet a wide range of work needs. Whether you're cutting lumber or assembling a project, this versatile table ensures convenience with its adaptable design. Built with an aluminum leg frame, it offers a robust 500 pounds capacity as a workbench and an impressive 1,000 pounds as a sawhorse, delivering durability that outperforms many competitors in its class. An outstanding feature is its adjustable height function, offering 6 different positions ranging from 30 to 35 inches, allowing users to tailor the bench's height for comfort and efficiency in various settings like the garage, yard, or workshop. The set includes a comprehensive range of accessories: easy hold bar clamps, bench dogs in multiple sizes, and safety straps, making it a flexible tool for countless applications. Its collapsible design ensures it folds flat easily for hassle-free storage and transport, whether in a vehicle or storage room. With user-friendly quick clamps and reliable holding pegs, this workbench is perfect for both hobbyists and professionals seeking strength, adaptability, and portability in a well-constructed multi-use platform. The Pony Workbench proves itself a reliable asset for diverse DIY and professional tasks.
Number 4. Tlgreen Portable Workbench. The Tlgreen Portable Workbench takes versatility to a new level with its impressive 7-in-1 design, offering not just a workbench, but a sawhorse, scaffold, platform, car creeper, dolly, and hand truck in one practical package. It's a true multi-purpose tool for craftsmen, mechanics, and DIY enthusiasts. With generous weight capacities, 220 pounds for workbench and sawhorse modes, and up to 440 pounds in scaffold or platform configurations, it's built for heavy-duty use. The practical tabletop includes a detachable tool tray and clamp holes for added convenience, though clamps are not included. It sets up effortlessly in seconds.
Number 5. Gvgbuk Portable Workbench. The Gvgbuk Portable Workbench is a thoughtfully designed, heavy-duty option tailored for those seeking a sturdy and adaptable work surface. One of its standout features is its wide height adjustment range, from 26.3 inches to 35 inches, making it suitable for both seated and standing tasks, and comfortably accommodating users of various heights. Built with a solid rubber wood tabletop finished with an eco-friendly varnish and supported by a rugged steel frame, this workbench boasts an impressive 2,000 pounds weight capacity, ideal for everything from automotive repairs to woodworking projects. An integrated power strip featuring 4 AC outlets and 2 USB-A ports adds modern functionality, ensuring electric tools and devices remain powered during demanding tasks. ETL certified, this feature offers reliable, safe use in garage and workshop environments. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.